Hey, Pocket, it's your birthday, and a bunch of your friends helped me make you a movie for your birthday. Are you ready to watch it? Are you ready to watch it? All right, let's watch it. Go over here. Make sure it goes to the beginning. We have shitty internet, so we're waiting for it to load. There it goes. Who's that? Oh, good. Good girl. Oh, it's Marcel. Oh, and Simon. Oh, you think?
You ready? Good work. Say happy birthday, Pocket. Good job. Happy birthday, Pocket. Nice dance. Nice. Oh, good boy.
Look, they're doing tricks.
Nice. Ballerina for Pocket. Ballerina. Ballerina. Good girl. Can you walk up? Woof, woof. Good job.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Pocket. What is he saying? What is that? Pocket, is there a squeak? What's the squeak?
Birthday, dear Pocket. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, good girl.
Good.
Good girl. Listen to that one. Who's all those dogs? Oh, there's Eliza who's got a lobster. Good girl, Pocket.
Happy birthday.
Oh, it's Loki.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Pocket. Happy
birthday, Hope your mommy gives you lots of penises to eat with her mouth.
Yes. Good girl, Pocket. Good girl. We do love you. Good girl. Happy birthday. Go lick those trays now. Good dog.